In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze columns in Google Sheets. So let's say you have a lot of data and you want some columns to stay in place while you scroll side to side. Well, I'm going to show you two ways, and here's the first one. First, click on the column that you want to freeze, go to the menu bar and click View. You have the freeze option right here, and on the right side you have the rows and the columns, so we're going to do columns first. Click on one column and you have frozen the first column, column A. So even if you scroll side to side, column A stays in place. So let's try with two columns. So let's click on column B. Again, go to View, Freeze, go down to two columns or up to column B. Both are the same, so let's just click on two columns. And here you have a slightly thicker border to indicate which columns are frozen, or up to which columns are frozen. So again, if you scroll side to side, columns A and B stay in place. So let's say we want to freeze until column C. Click on that column, right click on that, and you see here at the bottom, View Column Actions, and at the top we have Freeze up to column C. Click on that. And there you go. The slightly thicker border is right here, indicating up to which column is frozen. So again, scrolling side to side, and columns A, B, and C stay in place. And that's how to freeze columns in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.